Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch function of these default buttons on your HyperX Cloud Flight S. So first of all, in this application we have to go to the buttons. You can find it on the left upper corner, and then we have to turn off this option to use base settings. Next, if you want to set function, for example, of this button, click on it once with the left mouse button, and here on the left bottom corner you can find any function. So for example, we can set to volume up with this button. Then when we select this one, we can switch to volume down, and we can adjust any of these 4 buttons. Then you can just simply go back, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.